Hello Naturophiles, we're here in the Royal National Park and we are at the start of the Bungoona path out to Bungoona Lookout. But we're here to do the Temptation Creek Loop. Haven't checked it out before, so let's go take a look at it together. As always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots, let's get going. I can't just walk by a bench and not test it, right? Not much in the way of views here, but it's comfortable. Let's keep going. So from the lookout, we join up with the fire trail. What a view, right? Beautiful. We're headed that way. So we've hit the creek now and we're gonna hug it that way. You don't want to head up that way, that's a completely different track. We'll probably do that some other time, but not this time, so let's go. So nice to be under this green canopy now, especially after that long fire trail section at the top where you're just walking pretty much exposed the entire time. So take your time and dawdle down this bit and then just hammer through that top section. Obviously stopping at the lookouts and stuff. Let's keep going. So, the creek is terribly dry at the moment due to the lack of rain over the past couple seasons now. Would be beautiful though when inflow, so hopefully we get some rain and it becomes nice when you get to walk it. Anyways, I'm gonna continue. You can go here, but we want to hug the path along the creek. Sure, this would be far more impressive if there was water coming through it. At this juncture, you want to head that way. So, this T intersection is the final stretch home. We hit that. How cool is that? The remnants of an old train station. Also, the highway's just over there. So, what did you think of that? Beautiful walk, right? You share the track with a lot of other walkers as well as mountain hikers, and it gets fairly busy at times, but a very challenging and rewarding walk. About 5.5 kilometers long, would probably take you about 2 to 3 hours, depending on your fitness. Anyways, come check it out for yourselves. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, they'll take care of you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.